Tutorial for slime videos or storytime. First import any slime video or screen record this and crop it. Overlay and pick a Roblox character green screen image from Catalog Avatar Creator. Click Remove BG, then Chroma key. Then put color wheel to the green. And place them. This is how to add characters in. Now add text. Use font Rametta 1. I spelt it wrong. Select this one. To make it look real, click Styles, then the yellow color. Now for the voices. Click your text, then text to speech. Now click whichever you like. The one I use is energetic female. You're using the text to speech. Now to get echo. Exit text. Click the blue wavy things. Then click audio effects. Then echo. Matching outfits. Matching this for the character's thinking. Example. She is cute. This is finished product. If I was in a store time. Whoa, a cute avatar for once.
Join my G's.
Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.